Logodiffusion v4.0 AI is the game-changing software you've been waiting for, and in this review, we'll cover the 7 crucial things you need to know about this just-released powerhouse. If you've been curious about Logodiffusion v4.0 and want to know exactly how it can take your design work to the next level, stay tuned because you won't want to miss these key insights. First off, let's talk about the biggest draw of Logodiffusion v4.0, its ease of use. This AI-powered platform is designed for both beginners and experienced designers, offering an intuitive interface that makes it easy to generate stunning logos, branding materials, and even unique design elements. Whether you're building a brand from scratch or refining an existing logo, the platform allows you to customize designs based on your vision, while the AI does the heavy lifting. One of the standout features is its improved algorithm in version 4.0. It's now better than ever at understanding design trends, your preferences, and even color schemes that align with your brand identity. The AI learns quickly, so the more you use it, the more tailored your designs will become. This level of adaptability is a game changer for both freelancers and businesses who want consistency in their branding without spending hours on design work. Let's dive into the speed of the platform. When you're working on a tight deadline, Logodiffusion v4.0 offers lightning-fast rendering without sacrificing quality. In just minutes, you can have a professional-grade logo that rivals what you'd get from top-tier designers. This makes it an incredible tool for anyone who needs quick results, whether it's for social media, website branding, or marketing materials. Now, the customization options are another highlight. With Logodiffusion v4.0, you're not stuck with templates that feel cookie-cutter. You have control over every detail, from typography to color gradients, shapes, and more. This version includes new AI-driven suggestions that can help elevate your design even further while still letting you make the final call on the look and feel. Something that's often overlooked in design software is collaboration. With Logodiffusion v4.0, teams can easily collaborate in real time. This is perfect for businesses and agencies where multiple team members need to weigh in on a design. You can quickly share designs, get feedback, and make changes instantly, all within the platform. Let's talk about scalability, another key feature of this software. Whether you're creating a logo for a startup or developing an entire branding package for a large corporation, Logodiffusion v4.0 handles projects of any size. It's designed to scale with your business needs, making it a versatile tool that grows with you. Lastly, Logodiffusion v4.0 is built with a focus on quality, and it shows. The AI doesn't just churn out random designs, it uses sophisticated models to ensure that every logo is not only visually appealing, but also practical and versatile for different applications, whether for print, web, or mobile use. And here's the best part. You can try Logodiffusion v4.0 completely free through the link in the description below. This is the perfect opportunity to explore its capabilities firsthand and see how it can transform your design process. After trying thousands of AI tools myself, I found that Logodiffusion v4.0 stands out from the crowd for its user-friendly design, AI customization, and overall efficiency. If you're serious about enhancing your branding efforts or just want an easy-to-use platform for stunning logos, this software is a must-try. Make sure to check out my recommended AI tools in the description below. Tools I've personally vetted and believe can elevate your digital experience. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to explore the free trial of Logodiffusion v4.0 and see how it can take your designs to the next level.